Maybe you all know the Mania, SolidWorks Mania competition for the students. Every year, the SolidWorks give a model and they want us to design it. So today we are going to design this model. By the look, maybe you feel that it is difficult, but it is not very difficult if you visualize this drawing. If you see this isometric view, you may feel it's something like difficult, but actually it's not. You just have to follow the drawing. So if you see this view, it is very simple. We have to draw two circles here and two circle here, and the dimensions of these circles are given, and we have to specify the distance between them 100 millimeters, and then we have to extrude this sketch for the 60 millimeters. And after that, we are going to make some cuts here and here. The dimension is 8 mm. So we are going to design this model in the SolidWorks. So I'm going to open the sketch on the front plane. I'm going to draw circles like that and two circles here. The distance between these two circles is 100 mm. So I am going to put this distance, which is 100, and I am going to define a relation between this point and this point. So this relation is horizontal. We are going to add the relation, select this point, this center, and add a relation of horizontal. And then we are going to draw two lines connecting these two circles and make sure you add the tangent relation between them. So we have basically the tangent relation between them. So I'm going to draw a line and again draw a line from here to here. And then I'm going to power trim this one and this one. Now we needed to define the dimension between for these two circles. So smart dimension of this is given as 25 and this is given as 12. The diameter dimension of this circle is given as 12 and the dimension of this circle is given as 36. So 36, 25, we added these dimensions and we can see it's already fully defined. So we are going to exit this sketch, go to feature and extrude this sketch. We are going to use the mid plane and the depth will be 60 mm. So make it isometric and then we needed to make this cut, this one. So we are going to use the shell feature and put the thickness 8 shell. This is going to be 8. We are going to select this side and press OK. So here we have the shell. Then we needed to add some fillets. This fillet 5 mm. Go to the fillet. We select 5 and pick this edge and this edge. And we are going to press the OK. We also needed a fillet here. This one, it's a full R. So we are going to use this full round fillet. We are going to select this top, and for this selection we are going to select this surface, and for the third selection we are going to select this surface. So as we know, as you can see that we have the full radius fillet here. Press the OK. So we are done here. We can also draw this cut here. We can do that by different ways. So I am going to select this sketch and I am going to select this front face. And I am going to draw a 3-point corner rectangle, first point, second point, and third point. And then we needed to give the dimension. So first I am going to add the relation. You know, we can add the relation by using this delete, display and delete relation, or we can also add the relation by pressing the control on your keyboard, select this line and this point and add a midpoint between them. Then we needed to define the other dimension for it. So select the smart dimension tool, select this one, and this align dimension is 10, and from this line and this circle. So our dimension from this line to this circle, we needed to press the shift, and this align dimension is given as 40. Next, we have to define the angle. So angle is given as 40. Here we have the angle. So we can add this angle by selecting the right plane and this line. We needed an angle of 45. So this sketch is fully defined. We are going to exit this sketch, go to feature command, and we have to remove some material. That's why we use the extrude cut, and we select the for the direction we select through all. We needed this sketch cutting all the material all the way. Okay, at this point we completed the first feature. Now we needed to open the sketch on the top plane, and we are going to draw this sketch. This sketch we are going to draw it like that. So first we draw a center line, draw a center line from this point like that, and we are going to draw the this sketch like that. So starting from here like that, like that, and like that, and from here to here, and we needed this line, a parallel line with the reference to this line. So the parallel is activated like that, straight line, and then we just mirror this portion of the sketch. We select the mirror tool, which intent is we want this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, mirror with the reference to this line, and just close this sketch by selecting this point and this point. Okay, now we needed to define the dimension. So this dimension is 8. Dimension from this point to this line is given as 75. This dimension is also 8. From this point to this line, this dimension is given as 35. And this dimension is given as 14. So as you can see, it's fully defined. This sketch is fully defined. Exit the sketch. And now we are going to extrude this sketch. At this point, we basically have different ways to make this model. So I am going to just display the one method and to get the result which we needed. So we are going to use the direction through all. Uh, in the direction one, we are going to select the through all. In the direction two, we are going to select the through all. And and we have to select these two lines and don't deselect the this merge result. You have to uncheck it and press the OK. Now we have the basically sorry, two bodies. One this body and other is this body. So as you can see, we have two bodies are also appearing here in the solid bodies. So we are going to select these two body and we are going to use the command which we called the combine. So basically I am going to select the common and then select the show preview. So this thing which we needed basically for these two bodies which are there, we select the common. So it's showing only the bodies which are common and deleting rest of the bodies. We select that. So we got our final model. The only thing which is left is now some fillets here and the some fillets this one for the radius of 2. Okay. Uh, okay, let's also tell you the other method. So I am going to delete this one for the post extruded. I am also going to delete it. So next thing what I am going to do, select the sketch and select cut extruded and select the through and also through for the other side. And here we are going to select the flip side cut. So if you know what the meaning of flip side cut, let's see it. So basically it's just cutting everything outside from this sketch. So again we got the result. So add the fillets, select this first type of the fillet, select this edge and this not face. We needed to select the edge. Then again fillet. This time diameter is 20. We are going to fillet this one, this and this edge, this edge, this edge, and these two edges. Click OK. And again fillet 2 mm. So here is our final model. Uh, we can change the color and everything. Thank you so much. If you needed anything, just let me know in the comments and subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.